Okay, guys, let's get started. Now, in today's session, we are going to verify the domain which we have purchased from GoDaddy. So, some of you have purchased domain from GoDaddy, like Armstrong and Nathan. So, how will you verify that you are the owner of that domain? So, you have to prove yourself that you own that domain. Then only you will be able to successfully add the domain. Otherwise, you will not be allowed. Okay. So let's open Notepad Armstrong. Mm.
All right.
Today is 6th of December. 6th December topics. 6th December topics. Point number 1. Verify domain
Domain,
which we
which
purchased
we
from GoDaddy. Okay. So right now, the domain which you have purchased is don'ttech.services, right? That's the domain you have purchased. Okay. Now, very good. So don'ttech.services. Okay. Now let's go to the admin portal. Okay. Admin portal. admin.microsoft.com. Okay. Now in this admin portal, at the left hand side, you have show all. Click on show all. And then you scroll down, you will see uh, up you have setup. Sorry, settings. Click on settings up and domains. Okay, now you have this domain called don'ttech a185.onmicrosoft.com. This is a generic domain which you got it from Microsoft. But we would like to go with our custom domain which we purchased from GoDaddy. So those who have not purchased the domain like Lakshmi, that's okay. Even if you have not purchased the domain, that's okay. You can continue with this generic one. Okay. Now, since you have purchased Armstrong, we will add that domain. So let's click on add domain.
for interrupting. I purchased mine yesterday, so let me just follow up. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Follow the
Oh, okay.
videos. I mean,
Yeah, let me follow
on
the
screen
process.
links. Yeah. So you have to go to admin portal. In admin portal, you need to come to this section wherein you have to add your domain. Okay. And have you purchased from GoDaddy?
Yes, I purchased from GoDaddy yesterday.
Okay. So don'ttech.services, that's the domain Armstrong has purchased. Okay. Now down at the bottom, you have hide option. Click on hide. Okay. Now click on use this domain. Okay. Verify you own your domain. So you have to prove yourself that you are the owner of this domain. So you need to click on verify. Enter your GoDaddy username and password. You don't remember? Okay, sign in. If you don't remember your password, you can choose um, below need to find your password. Oh, you don't know the email address as well? Okay.
Kashif, I was a little bit lost. You said we should go to the admin portal if you want to add the domain. Let me just, okay, I think I said email custom domain.
Mm.
Let's see.
We emailed a password link, reset link on that email. Okay, so you will have to go to that Gmail ID to get the password reset link. Mm. Reset your password. Enter new password. Choose your own. Yeah, choose your own. And make a note of this password somewhere on your WhatsApp or somewhere where you can remember, to find out. Make a note of this password. Okay. Back to sign in page. Now sign in. Connect. Go back to admin portal. Hmm. Click on verify. Connect. Continue. Add DNS record. Connect. Done. Okay. So this is your default domain now. Which one is default? Don'ttech.services. So when you create new account, all your new accounts will get created in this domain rather than .onmicrosoft.com. Elvin, you were able to do it?
Yeah, I'm just changing my password. I was able to
Okay.
do, let me see. I don't have this now.
Make a note of your GoDaddy username and password somewhere on your WhatsApp or somewhere on your notes so that you Don't forget your password, guys. Okay, similarly, you make a note of your Intune username and password as well, the one which you created.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, guys. So we have verified the domain. Let's go back to the notepad. And point number 2, configure all users in new domain. Okay. Now we want everyone to be part of this domain rather than .onmicrosoft.com domain. Okay. Now the user accounts which you created, each one of them are part of .onmicrosoft.com. Okay. So let's go back to Intune account, Entra portal. Let's go to the Entra portal. Yes. Now you see user accounts, each one of them. Yeah. Yeah. You are on the right location. Yeah. You are on the right location. You see, um, each one of them are on don't take 185.onmicrosoft.com, right? Now, when you create a new account, let's create a new account. Click on new user, create new user. By default, it is gonna use don't take.services. You see, the domain is coming as don't take.services. That's the default behavior from now on. But what about the accounts which you have already created yesterday? We have to move them to this domain. Okay, so let's move them to this domain. So go back to users, all users. Um, Click on the first one. Hmm. This is your Intune email address and password, right? That's the main account, the global admin account, right? I think, yeah, you don't have to change this one because that's the main account. So let's make a, let's change the second one. So how will you change the second one? You have to click on edit properties. And in the drop down below, user principal name, change that to don't take dot services. Yeah, save. Very good. Do the third one, then fourth one, then okay. Edit properties and change that to don't take dot services. So new account will be created in that one, but we are changing the old accounts. Very good. Third one is still pending. You have to go back and change the third one. The third one, Don Sigo. Ah, it's already done. Okay, good. So all the accounts are on this domain now. If you want to change, you can also change the first one as well. That's not a problem. The only thing is you will have to, update your email address and password for Intune account. So can you refresh? Okay, don't take dot services. So each one of them are on don't take dot services except the first one. Okay. So we have put every account in that domain now. Okay, so we don't have to use .onmicrosoft.com anymore. We will be using that account. Now, let's go back to the notepad. Elvin, you are all set?
I am not sad because the email I was I think the step that was to verify the domain. I click on verify. They signed me out. So I'm trying to get back to that Microsoft account. Then it's like I don't have access to that. I don't remember the
Share your
password.
screen.
Yeah. Let me share my screen really quick. One moment. Stop sharing. Let me.
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay. One moment. Share this. Okay. I think this is where I'm having issues with. Let me see.
You are not able to log into your Intune account now, right?
Yeah, this was the Engine account. This is
Choose
the
that.
email.
Click on that.
There. Let's say this. So
Wait a
this
minute.
I was logged in under this before. Let me. No, this is the
What is
school
this?
email.
Wait a minute. Elvin Chi at North Side Hospital 126 dot on
Microsoft.
Microsoft.com.
Yeah.
Yesterday you created this account?
Yeah, this was the one that I was using, the original account, the Engine
W-
account that I created.
When you were using?
Yeah, I used this yesterday.
You created this new account or this is the old account?
This is the old account. This this account is the one that we created initially when we started the class. So I was trying to update the domain, the new domain that I bought from GoDaddy, and this is what happened. I don't know why.
Open Edge browser.
See this
Open
one.
Edge browser.
Like a different browser? Is that what you mean?
Edge browser. Down at the bottom you have Edge icon. Yeah. Or
Okay.
search Edge here. EDGE.
Yeah, it should be a Edge browser.
Yeah, Microsoft Edge.
Okay, I have it right here.
Type in intune.microsoft.com.
Okay. Done Microsoft. Oh,
This one is EG5 at wgu.edu. Whose account is this?
this is the school one, but that was
Western Governors
you know
Universe.
university. I was not using this one. The one that I had was the
This is not the correct one?
no, the
Okay,
one
so
that had
sign
it.
out. Sign out from this account then.
Yeah,
Sign out or
yeah,
sign in with a different account, anything.
yeah. Let me sign in with it. Let me just sign out and see what happened.
Hmm. Use another account. Type in
Or
the
or
Intune
maybe
account.
okay, the one that I created. Okay. Mm, what was the email again? I should have it on my notepad. One moment. I'm sorry, guys. Or maybe I think my understanding, maybe what could be happening now is because maybe I was signing, but I created a different account, so I don't know why it's showing that.
Have you created Intune account in the last 3 days?
Yes, I did.
You have? Do you have the username and password for that account?
Yeah.
Type in that username and password here.
Okay, let me see. It should be this.
No, that's the okay.
Yeah, this is the
Gmail
email.
ID.
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna work. Okay, let's log in.
No.
That's not the account. You have, you need to use the dot on Microsoft account, dot on Microsoft.com account. Have you not made a note of that one?
I think I should have it somewhere. LNG. I have it somewhere. Let
You
me
have
see.
to, you have to keep your username and password, guys. Everyone, keep your
Yeah.
Intune username and password saved on a notepad or on WhatsApp. From day one, I'm saying.
Man, I had it somewhere. Let me see. Oh man.
Not the Gmail ID. Okay,
Oh, sorry. I
go
refresh this.
back. Click on back. Use another account. Yes.
Yeah. What's the LNG? Uh, no, it's 1, 1, 2, 6. No. So, get a new Microsoft account. I created one. I don't know.
Wait a
We
minute.
can just,
Wait a
yeah.
minute. Go to Google Chrome browser.
Okay.
It's already open next to the notepad.
Yeah, it's fine. I actually had this. This was where I was, and this were the accounts because I had bookmarked it. I don't know why it's showing me this. This is
Try
the
this.
account. But
Try this account.
yeah, so I don't know
So
why it's
you
showing
you are
this.
not you're typing north side and here you have north side hospital.
No,
1 2 1 1.
yeah. Okay,
You
let
have
me
to
do
type
that.
in this one, right?
Yeah, this is the one that I created. Let me just copy it. Okay, let me go back to Edge.
Edge is already open.
Okay, Intune. This is it. It's a different account. Email. This should be it.
Alvin T at north side.
This is what I copy. Yeah, this is the account that I created.
Are you sure?
Yes, this is it. So
Click
the
on
issue,
next.
yeah, the username may be incorrect. Make sure you type it correctly, otherwise contact your admin.
You send me a screenshot, right? Let me
Yeah,
see.
I was working on this
1
account.
minute.
You can see the screenshot with all the not sites account.
Okay, so the account is north side hospital 126
Yes, that's it.
dot on Microsoft.com.
Yeah.
And the username is Elvin Chi.
Yeah.
Elvin ELVINCHI
At
at
North Side
north
Hospital.
side NORTHSIDE hospital HOSPITAL
126.
126 dot on
Microsoft.com. This is it.
micro on Microsoft.com. Okay, click on next.
So I don't know if it is because I wanted to update that domain because it said close all the browsers. So when I close all the browser, I
You
don't know
have,
if they
okay, what is your domain name?
the new domain is elvin.com. This is the new
Okay.
domain.
So type in elvin.com after Elvin Chi at. Type in Elvin
Oh
Chi,
yeah. Yeah, that could be the problem. Yeah, you
Elvin
got it.
Chi at,
Dot Elvin.
Elvin Chi at,
Oh yeah.
at, what's the domain you purchased?
Yeah, Elvin. Yeah, this is the domain I purchased, elvin.com.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I
Show me
have it.
GoDaddy page. Show me GoDaddy page. On the Google Chrome, you have Google Chrome, it's already open.
Yeah, I'm already confused.
Yeah. Hmm.
Yeah, go daddy. This is me.
My product. Click on my product.
You see, this is the domain.
It's not elvinchi.com. And you have
Yeah.
typed in elvin.com. Go to Edge browser.
Okay, we're back again. Hello. And twin.
Go to Edge browser again.
Yeah, I'm bringing it up to that screen. I have two screens open here. Okay. Mhm.
Elvinchi at elvinchi.com. No, elvinchi.com.
Oh, this one now.
Type in password.
Oh, got it. Thank God. Phone number, proof authentication. I got it. 54. This is me. Finally. Thank God.
Go to users,
Okay.
users.
Yes, I'm right there.
Okay, you changed the account, the main account itself. Okay,
Mm,
elvinchi
mm.
at elvinchi.com. So, okay, open Notepad.
Okay, yeah, not bad. It's
Where is
open.
your Notepad? Where have you saved your username?
For this new domain or the old one?
The Intune account username.
I have it down often. Let me just save it somewhere. You mean the new one or the old one? The one that I got from Microsoft?
The one which you got from Microsoft, you have to update that one because you cannot use that anymore. You have to use elvinchi at elvinchi.com.
Yeah,
That's your new Intune account. Okay,
yeah. So I have to update this.
elvinchi. So your new account is
Yeah,
elvinchi and elvinchi at elvinchi.com.
yeah.
That's
So
your Intune account.
yeah. So I need to update all these users that I created, right?
Yes. You need to save your password as well. Okay.
Yeah, I have it somewhere saved. Mm,
elvinchi at elvinchi.com, right? That's the
yeah, Elvin G.
1 minute. Let me see. elvinchi at elvinchi.com.
Elvin.
If everyone save your Intune username and password. Otherwise, you will run into issues like this.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Give me control, Elvin.
Okay.
You
View
have to open.
request.
You have to open Teams. Down
Yeah.
at the
What is
bottom,
it?
you have Teams. Open that.
Mm, okay.
second option, second one, second.
Uh,
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Gift control.
Okay. So Alvin, this is your
Yeah.
account. This is your
Mm-hmm.
Intune account. So you need to save this.
And
Bring
then,
notepad here.
yeah, let me bring it. It's not opening here. Okay.
Okay, and save your password later on somewhere. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. For the password, I don't have a problem. This one.
Okay, guys. So let me save it. Otherwise, you will miss it. Gonna save. There is an Intune notes already.
Yeah. This just open a different browser. Open a different browser.
Okay, so you will have to configure. Um, Let me close Google Chrome. It's giving trouble. Okay, and we don't need this one, and we don't need this one. We need only Intune browser. Okay, so you will have to change the user accounts later on. You
Yeah.
need to click on each one of them. I'll show you
Edit.
one of them, and then go to edit properties, and
Mm.
here you will have the drop down where you can change it to elving.com. Okay.
And save.
Hmm. How much did you pay for this?
That was about total $23.
$23. Oh, it was a little expensive.
Yeah.
You couldn't find the cheapest one?
That was the cheapest one, but when it is with the full stack, they add all the charges, then it became the total became $23.
Okay, fine. So now let's go back to the user accounts, and then we have created these um, user accounts. Fine. So you used a CSV file. You
Yeah.
imported. Okay, fine. Now, where is your Windows 10 virtual machine? Have you created Windows 10 virtual machine?
Yeah.
I don't see it on.
Oh, it's on the other screen. I have two screens open. That's why. Let me give one moment. Okay.
Yeah, Kasif, I have
Yes,
one doubt here.
yes.
Uh, Here we are able to change the domain name in our user ID.
Mm-hmm.
What about email address? It is still showing
Same
as old.
email address.
Yes.
Which email address? The Intune account.
Yes, Intune account identities column is there
Yeah,
now.
that will remain as it is.
Uh,
That's the main identity, right?
okay. Yes,
Like,
yes.
yeah, that will remain as it is. It will not change. But you don't have to use that anymore. You will have to use this account, the domain which you have added. Okay.
Okay.
I
Okay,
have a
thank you.
question.
Yes.
Is there a way we can change, we can bulk change the domain names? Say if we have 300 users.
Hmm.
Do we have to go through each one of
We
them, or
can
is there?
we can change it using PowerShell. Okay.
Okay, policy. Okay,
Yeah, that is possible. Okay, you can do it.
okay. Thank you.
No worries. Can you bring Oracle VirtualBox Manager, wherein you
Okay,
have all the virtual machines?
no problem.
Can you bring it, Elvin?
My mouse.
Oh,
Go-
let me stop control.
Okay,
Yeah, you can
yeah,
take control now.
okay,
Oracle VirtualBox Manager. Yeah. Okay, give me control again.
okay,
You need to open Teams, the second one, and give control.
yeah,
Yeah. Okay, so every day you have to open Oracle VirtualBox and you need to power on this machine, guys. Okay, you have to keep it open before you join the session. You have already taken the snapshot. Okay, good. Let me power off this machine because it takes a lot of time. So
yeah.
rather what I will do, I'm gonna go back to the snapshot which we have taken and restore, and then I'm gonna click on restore and power on so that it will start from
Where we
the
stop?
same, yeah, where we stopped. Okay, now let's see. So you have a new machine, right? Let's
Yeah,
assume that this is a new machine which you received. Okay, Elvin,
yeah,
you joined an organization. For example, the organization name is Elvin Private Limited, Elvin G Private Limited. Okay,
yeah.
and you have received this laptop. You have started this laptop, powered on this laptop for the first time, and now it is asking you to log in to this computer. Okay. Now, when you log in, automatically all the policies and application and configuration will be um, deployed on this machine over the internet. That is how it is supposed to be. But in order to do that, we have to configure everything in the backend first. We haven't done that. So we will see how to do that later on. First, we will log in and see how the machine will log in, where the account will get, the machine account will get created, and account, whether the account username and password is successfully entered or what. So let's type in the username, any user account you can type in. So let's try with elvinchi@elvinchi.com. Okay, so you can use any account which you have created. You have created these accounts, you can choose any one of them. Okay, so let's
Okay,
choose that one, elvinchi@elvinchi.com. Here, type in.
okay. Copy, just copy it.
You cannot copy and paste it.
Yeah, just use eventually.
Type in the password again. Okay, so your account is successfully authenticated. Now, where the account is authenticated, you typed in the username and password. So we have to have a database somewhere where the account is getting verified. So where is your database? The database
Intune.
is not Intune. The database Entra portal.
Oh,
Entra.microsoft.com. So when any of your user is trying to access anything, by typing the username and password. So all the username and password are getting authenticated from this portal. This is the database which contains your user accounts, your computer account, your groups, and the authentication happens from here. So you use this account, Elvin Chi, right? Now let me
yeah.
click on Elvin Chi, and then you have sign in logs. That's going to show you the account, whether it is verified successfully or not. It takes some time. You see, it is successfully done. 9:04. What is the time now?
Yeah.
9:17. So this is the old log. 9:17 p.m. What is this time? 9:26. Okay, that is yesterday. We are checking today, right? This is the
Yeah.
latest one. So
Yeah.
9:04 is the old one. We have to wait for some more time, and then it's gonna give us the information. It takes some time to update it here. Okay, so you'll
Okay.
have to wait for some time, and then you will be able to see that your username and password is authenticated correctly or not, just like success, you see.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, coming back to devices here at the left hand side, you will also be able to see your device which you have just logged in. You see, this is the device which you have logged in just now. So
Yeah.
it creates what it creates an entry of the device here in Entra portal when you log in with your username and password. So anyone in your organization, any user, whoever will log into their device, their account, the device will get created here. And now the join type is Entra join. This is like a corporate device. This is a corporate device, right? So Microsoft Entra joined. So all corporate device will come as Microsoft Entra joined, and all personal devices will come as Microsoft Entra registered. So there is a difference between registered and joined. Joined means the corporate device, and registered means personal
Single.
device.
Uh,
Got it?
Yeah.
So join type, point number 3, login to Windows 10 virtual box using um, Intune account. Okay. Point number 4, sign in logs and device status. Okay. Microsoft Entra joined. That means it's a corporate device. Corporate device. And point number B is Microsoft Entra registered. That means it's a personal device. So I'll show you the registered method as well. Right now we are focusing on Microsoft Entra join device. So this is a new device wherein we logged in with the username and password for the first time, and this is joined in Microsoft Entra ID, just like you have on-premises domain controller. So the machine will get domain join. So it is like a domain join computer. Okay. Now let's go back to the Entra portal, and I'll go back to all user, and then Elvin Chi, and then sign in logs. Let's see. There you go. It is
Yeah,
updated
that's all.
now. So
Yeah.
first it was failure. Okay. First time it failure because when you typed in the password, then it asked the password again. It was
Yeah.
timed out, right?
Yeah.
So that's the reason it is giving you that one. Then second time it got successfully authenticated. Okay. These are the two which you did it on the computer. And this is for Entra portal. We logged into Entra portal, right? This is the another one for Entra portal login. So you logged into this computer. The IP address of the computer is 73.2. This is the public IP address of the computer and the location from where you have logged in. So it is giving you the location of that device. Okay, let me click on that. I'll click on the success one. Okay, success. So client app, mobile app and desktop client. Okay, device registration services. So basically the device got registered. Okay, so this gives some information. You can also check the location from where you have done that. So this is the location, Atlanta, plus that the IP address of that machine, device info. It is Windows 10, right? Operating system, Windows 10, Edge browser. Password in cloud, correct password. Okay. Conditional access, we haven't applied any conditional access. That's the reason it is blank. So this is just for verification. If your user is not typing the password correctly, you can take a look here and let the user know that your username and password is incorrect or something. For example, if I click on the failure one and I'm gonna click on the authentication details. Authentication failed due to the flow token expired. The token was expired. That's the reason. Okay.
That's the session, timeout
That's
session.
yeah, timeout
Okay.
session. Okay.
Okay.
Now, so this is just for your information. When you are troubleshooting, your user is typing the username and password, and in case if he is not able to log in properly, you can come here and take a look. Okay. Now, your device is registered here. I mean, joined here. Which device? The Windows 10 device, and that is showing up right here. Okay. Let me go back to the device. Okay, so now it is asking you to set the Windows Hello for business, like 6-digit PIN. Okay, so instead of using password, you can choose 6-digit PIN to log into this computer.
Okay.
So multi-factor authentication, you need to hmm, enter 21
Yeah,
on
I
your
have that.
mobile.
Yeah, done.
Okay. Okay, so you have to set a new PIN, anything of your choice. You can't choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will have to choose something else. 6-digit PIN minimum. You can't use 4-digit PIN because that's the default option Okay, click OK. Okay, so the pin is set, right? And I'm gonna close this. So you are now successfully logged into this machine. So Windows, everything you need to make a note of it, guys. Windows 10 user ID and password. Okay, so you have to make a note of it later on. That's the username you are using. And what is your 6-digit pin? Huh? Elvin?
Do I have
You
to say? Sorry.
your 6-digit pin,
Yeah.
that's for the computer. Yeah.
Yes, that's what I'm asking. Do you want me to give it out?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, 57 1111.
Five
Five
seven.
seven. Yeah, 4 ones. Yeah.
Okay. So that's the computer account. Okay.
Yeah.
Not the Intune account. That's the computer account. So in order to log into this machine, so this account will work only on this Windows 10 machine. Nobody
Yeah.
can access that because that is your that is inside your computer. Okay. Now, so we have logged into this account. I mean, we have logged into this computer, but this computer is not enrolled into Intune. You will not be able to see the device information in Intune portal. Right now, the device is there in Entra portal. So the first point of contact is the Entra portal. The device will contact to Entra portal for the first time. First of all, I mean, the first point of contact for the devices is always Entra portal, and from Entra portal, it will go to Intune portal. So right now you see MDM is none. MDM means mobile device management. So who is managing this device? No one is managing this device. So in order to manage this device, your device has to come here in Intune portal. Where? In the devices section in Intune portal. Right now I'm in Intune portal and all devices. Right now you don't see your device. You will have to enroll the device either manually or automatically. So in the next session, we will see how to enroll devices manually and automatically. So we will see multiple methods of enrollment. Okay, in the next session, how to enroll devices manually and automatically. Is that clear, everyone? Hmm?
Yes,
Yes
Kash.
or no? So Elvin, you have to copy Microsoft Entra register.
Yeah, for today. Okay. Send
Yeah,
it to the group.
copy this and send it to the WhatsApp group.
Okay. I will do that.
Okay, we will not have session tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So, so here we have Saturday and Sunday off in India. For you guys, it will be Sunday to Thursday. Those who are in US,
Yeah.
I think Armstrong, Burgesh, Nathan, and Elvin. All three of you are from US time zone, right?
Yes.
So you will need to connect again on Sunday evening at 8:30 p.m. EST. Okay, that will be Monday morning for me, 7 a.m. India time. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Any question? Anyone?
Sorry, I got a quick question. So how do companies migrate from on-prem to Entra ID? Is that what we're gonna see in this course?
Do you have domain controller?
I just wanna, because I've been seeing job descriptions and they're like tenant migration in it. I'm just like wondering how it works. I know I'm just asking if we're gonna do that in the course.
Okay, I will show you.
All right. Thank you very much.
Okay,
Yep. Thank you.
okay. Thank you guys. We'll meet on Monday, 7 a.m. India time. Okay,
Okay.
thank you. Bye now.
Yeah, bye.